I chose to come to Butler Tech because I currently own my own business and I wanted to expand my knowledge of what I needed to learn and what I could do and learn more and make more money, really.
I would say my 5-year goal is making $250,000 to $500,000. I always did a couple jobs here and there on my own, but most of the time I was just working for my dad. Because my dad, he's always been a blue-collar worker. Like the beginning of last year was like the time when I finally just said it's time to go on my own and just took it and ran with it. I just don't think that a school should be somewhere where you go and sit in the classroom all day and learn the same repetitive things over and over again. At Butler Tech, it's more like a one-on-one experience, so you get to build a relationship with your teachers. They help you out with other things other than just school, and everybody's there for a reason. I'm still getting done what I have to in school. I can still graduate with a diploma, but I'm also getting all this real-world help. It definitely has been a key aspect in growing my business, and it'll definitely be a big key aspect in growing it for the rest of my life.